How to cure snoring in children? First of all, snoring in children is not that uncommon as we think, and a lot of kids do snore at night generally. Especially when you observe, they'll be mouth breathing regularly rather than nose breathing. In the sense, they open their mouth and breathe routinely. So, if they are snoring regularly, then visit your pediatrician or pediatric ENT doctor and get it checked for any airway obstructions or any obesity or any adenoids. These are the most common causes for the snorings to happen, and if they are more prone to allergies or allergic history is there, then there will be high chances of snoring. And let them check it first and then diagnose it and then treat them first, so that snoring can be avoided.